Energean, a prominent player in the energy sector, has announced a significant strategic realignment, focusing its operations more intensely on Morocco. This decision comes as part of Energean's broader effort to optimize its asset portfolio and streamline its operational focus. The company's move involves diverting assets previously allocated to Egypt, Italy, and Croatia towards bolstering its activities in Morocco. This redirection underscores Energean's commitment to enhancing its presence in a region that holds promising potential for growth in the energy sector. Morocco, known for its strategic geographical location and emerging energy market, offers Energean a fertile ground to expand and capitalize on new opportunities. In line with this strategic shift, Energean has undertaken a series of transactions to restructure its asset portfolio. Notably, the company has struck a significant deal worth $950 million to sell its assets to Carlyle Group. This deal marks a pivotal moment for Energean, facilitating a streamlined approach to its operations while also unlocking capital for further strategic investments. Tony Hayward, former CEO of BP, is set to play a crucial role in the new phase of Energean's evolution. Hayward will lead the newly formed entity resulting from the transaction with Carlyle Group. His leadership and extensive experience in the energy sector are expected to steer the company towards sustained growth and profitability in the evolving global energy landscape. The decision to consolidate its focus on Morocco aligns with Energean's long-term vision of becoming a pivotal player in the Mediterranean energy market. By reallocating its assets strategically, Energean aims to capitalize on Morocco's burgeoning energy demands and favorable regulatory environment. This move not only reinforces Energean's commitment to operational efficiency but also positions the company strategically amidst shifting global energy dynamics. As Energean navigates this transformative phase, stakeholders and industry experts are closely monitoring the company's strategic moves and their potential implications. The focus on Morocco reflects Energean's confidence in the region's growth prospects and its commitment to sustainable energy development. So, Energean's strategic decision to redirect assets towards Morocco underscores its proactive approach to navigating the complexities of the global energy market. With Tony Hayward at the helm, the company is poised to capitalize on new opportunities while enhancing shareholder value and contributing to Morocco's energy landscape.